Bubu and Lulu. Hello everyone, today we're going to meet colors in numbers 1 to 10. Let's welcome them one by one. Green, 1. Yellow, 1. Red, 1. Blue, 1. Green, 2. Yellow, 2. Red, 2. Blue, 2. Green, 3. Yellow, 3. Red, 3. Blue, 3. Green, 4. Yellow, 4. Red, 4. Blue, 4. Green, 5. Yellow, 5. Red, 5. Blue, 5. Green, 6. Yellow, 6. Red, 6. Blue, 6. Green, 7. Yellow, 7. Red, 7. Blue, 7. Green, 8. Yellow, 8. Red, 8. Blue, 8. Green, 9. Yellow, 9. Red, 9. Blue, 9. Green, 10. Yellow, 10. Red, 10. Blue, 10. Remember all numbers from 1 to 10 and colors green, yellow, red, and blue. There's always something fun to enjoy. Goodbye, everyone.